Hello dear viewers, hope you are well. Welcome to my channel Health is Beauty. Today I will show chicken sauces pan pizza in a very simple way. This pizza recipe requires no machinery and can be cooked in any conventional electric oven. Let's see the ingredients of making perfect pizza dough. Salt 1 teaspoon, sugar 2 teaspoon, instant yeast 2 teaspoon, olive oil 2 tablespoon, flour 2 cups, lukewarm milk 1 cup. Let's see how to make a perfect pizza dough. In a bowl, take 2 cups flour, yeast, sugar, salt. Now combine everything very well. Gradually add lukewarm milk. Mix with flour. Now knead it for 10 minutes. See, now it is sticky, but after 10 minutes it becomes a smooth dough. After 10 minutes it becomes a stretchy dough. Add 2 tablespoons olive oil and knead the dough another 2 minutes. At last, spread olive oil all over the dough. Now wrap it. Let it rise in volume, so keep the dough in warm place. Let's see the toppings. You can add any toppings as you like. For toppings, tomato, green capsicum, black olives, white pepper half teaspoon, oregano half teaspoon, chili flakes half teaspoon, onion 1 piece, pizza sauce, chicken sauces, mozzarella cheese as per your taste. Take a non-stick pan and grease it with olive oil. Open the cover. Now transfer raisin dough to the pan and flatten it with your fingertips. Now poke with the fork. Grease the surface of the dough with olive oil. Now place the pan over low-medium heat. Cook one side for 30 seconds. Now flip it and switch off the flame. Spread pizza sauce edge to edge. Spread mozzarella cheese edge to edge. Add chicken sauces. Add tomato, green capsicum, onion, again add mozzarella cheese. Chicken sauces, add tomato, green capsicum, black olives, white pepper, oregano, chili flakes. Cover it. Now switch on the flame. Cook it over low flame for 12 minutes. Now open the cover. It is cooked completely. Now transfer it on a plate. Now decorate with tomatoes, capsicum, my easy, perfect and mouth-watering chicken sauces pan pizza is ready. Cut with the help of a pizza cutter. See the texture. It's perfect. Enjoy my chicken sauces pan pizza at home. If you have any question regarding this recipe, you can ask me. I will reply. Put your valuable comments in my comment box. Your comments always inspire me. Thank you for being with me and watching my YouTube channel Health is Beauty.